Python lists are mutable data types. This means that you can change the elements without changing the identity of the underlying list. These kinds of changes are known as in-place mutations. They also to update the value of one or more elements in an existing list. Index of a list and the assignment operator can be used to update a list. List can be updated by directly assigning a new value to an element at a specific index. This is the syntax. Python lists are zero-based indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. For example, let us update all the numeric values in the list L1 with the string representation. To update the first element in the list, use index 0 and use the assignment operator to assign a new value. You can also use negative indexes to update the values. For example, to update the value of the last element using negative index, use index -1. You can also update the value of multiple list elements. You can access the elements with the slicing operator and then use the assignment operator and an iterable of new values. In short, this combination of operators can be called slice assignment. This is the syntax. The values from iterable replace the portion of list defined by the slicing operator. If iterable has the same number of elements as the target slice, then Python updates the elements one by one without changing the length of the list. In this example, the list elements at index 2, 3, and 4 are updated using the slice assignment. Use the slice operator to get the elements from the list. Then the slice assignment replaces the list elements with the new values from the iterator. In this slice, you have 3 elements and a list of 3 elements is used to update them one by one. The length of the list is not altered. The replacement iterable does not have to be the same length as the slice. If iterable has more or fewer elements than the target slice, then the list will automatically grow or shrink accordingly. In this example, the initial list of numbers only has 5 values. The values 2, 3, 4, and 5 are missing. Use a slice to insert them starting at index 1. In this case, the slice has a single index while the list of values has 4 new values. So the list grows automatically to hold the new values. You can also use a slice to shrink an existing list. In this example, the initial list has 4 zeros where it should have a number 5. Here the slicing operator takes the portion filled with zeros and replaces it with a single 5. The list is shrunk from 10 elements to 7 elements. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.